Okay, so before we start, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, students, and welcome to Media and Information Literacy virtual class. Let's have some review in the introduction to media and literacy. Okay, so what do we mean by media literacy? Okay, so before we start, what do we mean by the word literacy? Anybody in the chat box? Yes. Um, Reading. Okay. So according to Michaela, the ability or the capability to read and write. Yes, correct. Evaluating. Yes. Read and write from Peter of ABA Fairview. Okay. Okay. So the common definition of literacy is the ability to read and write. Yes, to identify, understand, read, and write. Yes, correct. From Amma Jensen or Jael Grace. Okay. Okay. So how about media literacy? What do we mean by media literacy? Okay, so when we say media literacy, it is a possession of knowledge to be competent in assessing the messages carried by the mass media. Okay, so that is media literacy. Okay, so when we say media literacy, as a student or someone, how can we assess the messages that we are getting from the mass media? Okay, so that is media literacy. Okay, so how about information and technology literacy? Okay, so when we say information literacy, it enables you to identify, locate, evaluate, and use the information to solve a particular problem. Okay, while technology literacy, it means the ability to adopt, to adopt, understand, and evaluate and make use of the continually emerging innovations in information technology. Meaning, when we say information technology, information and technology literacy, how can we evaluate or assess the information that we are getting in that through technology? Okay, so that is information and technology literacy. Yes, correct from Dane. How can we recognize the information? Okay, so next is we have two types of media literacy. Okay, the traditional media. So when we say traditional media, we have the newspaper, magazine, television, radio, and books. Okay, so while we have now is the new media. So when we say new media, it uses technology and mostly relies on the internet and computer. And it uses websites and social media. And the difference between traditional and new media is in new media, we provide two-way communication. Okay? So yes, technology relies on computer from Harvey. Okay? So when we say um, new media, since it relies on the internet, it can provide feedback. Okay? So, for example, in traditional media, you got an information from the newspaper or books, for example. So, we cannot give or we can really give our feedback. While in new media, since it uses technology, we can give or we can provide our feedback or we can give our insights about the topic. So that is new media. Okay? Yes, it is easy to get the information. Yes, correct. So next is where can we access information? Okay? So we have different um, location or we can different ways to access the information. Okay, so first is books. Yes, it is the most common and one of the most reliable source. And articles. Yes, scholarly periodicals. So, and yes, one of the easiest way is through internet. Okay, so we can get or we can access information um, through books, articles, periodicals, and nowadays through internet, right? So if you want to know something, if you want to research on something, just have to type it on Google, and that is what? That is uh, easy. Unlike books that you have to research, you have to read. So that those are the location, or we can get information through these um, books, articles, periodicals, and internet. Okay? So now that is just a review of our discussion. Okay, that's just a review. Now, so we will discuss the module 8 and module 9 of our subject. Okay? So first is we will discuss people media. So in this topic, we will discuss or we will identify the different people involved in media. Aside from that, we will determine the characteristics of people media, and we will cite or give examples of the positive and negative effects of people media. Okay, but before that, what do we mean by people media? Anybody? Mhm. If you have any answers, just type it on the chat box. People who work on the media, yes, from Gabrielle. Okay, so from Samantha, people involved in media, yes. So, okay, so when we say people media, yes, they are the people who work in media and usually the members of the press. And these are the people who are involved in the production and messages and media for the public to consume. Okay, so we have different characteristics of people media. So the first is dedicated and passionate. Okay, so what do we mean by dedicated and passionate? Mhm. Okay, they are the sources of information and responsible in disseminating those information from Christine of Amadabao. Yes, from Jael. They love what they are doing. Okay, so um, when we say dedicated and passionate, so members of media have a great responsibility and they must meet the expectation of their audience. Okay? Next is they are sociable and outgoing. Why do they have to be sociable and outgoing? Yes, to gather information from Joanne. Okay, from, yes, okay, to communicate, to gain information, yes, to have more information. Okay, so as someone from media, they have to sociable. Why? Because they have to talk to many people that could answer the questions that they have, right? So for example, as a journalist, they have to what? They have to interview. Okay, so they have to get information. Yes, they have to seek information. Okay, next is they are respectable and trustworthy. What do we mean by that? So they must maintain a reputable image, right? So since they are delivering news, yes, so they have to respectable and trustworthy. So the public or the audience must rely on them. So they have to be respectable and trustworthy. Yes, because people relies on them for information from Trisha, correct? Yes, from Anthony, they must report the truth. Mm, okay, so they need to disseminate facts. So from Lawrence. Okay, so from Andrea, all the news should be legit and authentic. Yes, correct. Yes, because we gain information from them, from King Arthur. Okay, so next is creative and dynamic. What do we mean by creative and dynamic? Yes, to attract the audience, yes, to entertain, okay, to make people believe in them, to get the people's attention. Yes, correct. Okay, so when we say creative and dynamic, they must come up or they must be creative to attract the audience attention. Yes, from ABE Bacolod, Jessa, to attract the audience, correct. So, yes, to enlighten, of course. So, that is, those are the different characteristics of uh, people media or the people in media. Okay? So, next is the different types of pre people media. Okay, so we have two types of people media. The first is print media. So when I say print media, it is a form of media where the messages are distributed through publication. Okay? So it is printed. Okay, yes, through paper, correct, Gabriel? Okay, so who are the people in print media? Okay, so the first is journalist. Okay, so what is the job of journalist? Anybody? Okay, so from Micaela, one who spreads the current news and events. Okay, writing articles from Joshua. Okay, from Andrea. So they tell you the scope of an issue. Yes, to interview, and it involves searching and writing the news. Okay, so when we say journalists, they are um, the people involved in searching and writing the news. Mostly, they write current events. Okay, so that is journalists. So again, journalists, they are involved in searching and writing the news. Okay, usually current issues. Yes, correct. And the next is writers and authors. Okay, so what is the difference, or can you give some difference between journalists and writers and authors? They are tasked to write, okay, to give knowledge, okay? So when we say writers and authors class, they are capable of writing variety of topic, okay? So it can be his or her interest, or it can be um, what is tasked to write. So unlike a journalist, it is mostly current events, while in writers and authors, he or she is capable of writing um, variety of topic. Okay, so that is one of the main difference of journalists and writers and authors. Yes, opinions too, correct. Okay, next is editors. So what is the job of editors? From the word itself, taga-edit. Yes, editor. Okay. To edit the news, yes. Checking and looking the writer's work, correct. So the main job of, yes, to proofread, yes, correct. Okay, so the main job of editors, for they are responsible for checking and looking the writer's work before publishing. Okay, to proofread, yes, to are responsible for checking of errors. Okay, so that is the job of editors. Okay. Next is the layout and the layout artist or graphic artist. Okay. How about layout and graphic artists? What are their jobs? Designs? Yes. For graphics, for the presentation, okay, for the design or designing. Okay, so layout and graphic artists, so they are in charge of the presentation of printed material. Okay, so they are in charge about the text or images Okay, so the image and the text should suit with each others. Okay, so again, in layout artists and graphic artists, so they are in charge of overall presentations of printed material from text to images. Okay, so they are the one who thinks about the what image would best suit the text of the writer. Okay, and next is photographers. Okay, how about the photographers? Yes, for capturing pictures or photos, correct? Okay. Okay, so when we see photographers, so they are responsible for capturing images that usually or it should be with a connection with the text. Yes, Andrea, correct. It must be related to the topic or issue. Yes. Okay. Next is art directors. Okay. So art directors, they are what? For the arts, designs, cartooning, managing the designs, okay? So art directors, they are what? Responsible for the published material or the uh, in charge of the overall concept of the material. Okay? Again, ha, so when we say art directors, they are in charge of the overall concept of the material. Okay? So in terms of arts, designs, and graphics, yes, responsible for the whole concept. Correct. Okay. So next is publisher. How about publisher? Okay. So from um, Ama Makati or Ate. So in charge of financing the cost. Okay. Finishing the product from Jason. They in charge of publishing from the. Okay, publisher, taga-publish. Very good, correct. No, just kidding. Okay, so when we say publishers, um, when we say publishers, they are the people involved in financing and handling the cost of productions. Okay, so they are involved with the finance, yes, handling the cost of productions, okay, to publish or print the publication, yes, the financial aspect of the printed material. Okay. Okay, so that is for print media. Okay, now how about the broadcast media? So again, when we say print media, printed. While how about broadcast media? Anybody? Mm-hmm. Journalists, reporters, TV and radio. On cam, yes, on camera. Yes. So when we say broadcast media, the messages are distributed to the public through radio, um, televisions, and theaters. Okay, so yes, from other term, it presents or it distribute messages through visual and audio. Okay, so an example of this is uh, television, yes, radio, video, yes, correct. Okay, so that is broadcast media. Okay, now how about who are the people in broadcast media? Okay, the first is reporter. Okay, so what is the job of the reporter? Reports on field, yes, correct. Reports on video, they report news, yes, to report information. Report to give news from Arlan, yes, correct. Interview from Carlo. Mhm. Okay, so yes, it is similar to journalist. It is from, uh, let's see, Okay, so just like journalist from Trisha May of Ama Caloocan. Okay, so when we say reporter, again, the job of a reporter is what? He or she is tasked to report the news in the field where the event has happened. Okay? Again, the reporter is the one who is reporting in the field where the event or the news has happened. Okay? That is reporter. Because the next is news anchor. Okay? So, what do we mean by news anchor, or what is the main job of news anchor? They report on the studio, yes. So, um, news anchor, so reporter delivers the news in the field or where the event happened. News anchor delivers the news to the public while inside the studio. Yes, so for example, we have Mel Chanco, we have Mike Enriquez, we have Kabayan Noli de Castro, right? So that is news anchor. Yes, Ted Filon, correct. Oh, so that is what that is a news anchor. They delivers the news while inside the studio. Okay? So next is the TV or host program. Okay? So what is the job of a TV and news program? Uh, Program host. Makes sense. They host the program. Okay. Okay, so yes, it's like an MC. Okay, so a TV or program host, they are the one who facilitating the flow of the show. So usually, okay, the flow of the program, correct. So usually they are in charge of what? They are in charge of hyping up the show for the audience to enjoy. Okay? So, example, yes, Vong Navarro, Jong Hilario, Vice Ganda, in Showtime, yes. Uh, for example, another example is we have Tito Vic and Joey, yes, in Itbulaga. Okay? So, yes, we have Michael V, Robbie Domingo, yes, correct, Kuya Will. Mm. So they are what they are considered as program hosts. Okay? They are facilitating the flow of the program. Okay? Next is script writer. Okay, so what is the job of a script writer? Okay, from Nicole, the one who writes the script for the whole program. Okay, correct. This right writes the script from Dan Allen. Okay? So, scriptwriter writes the script for the show, which the people who would be appearing in it would be following. Okay? So, yes, they are the one who are writing the flow of the script of the show. Okay? Yes, the script. And the next one is the director. Okay? So, what do we mean by director? The one who direct or, okay? What else? Aside, directs the flow of the show, correct? The one who manage, the one who instructs, correct? Mhm. The person who supervised the actors, correct? The one who managed from Giselle. Okay? So, mhm. Ano, taga-sigaw ng cut? Okay. Ah, ano naman, correct. Okay. So, that is director. Okay. I'm just kidding. Okay. So, again, director is the one who supervises and instructs the performers. Okay. Next is producer. So, producer is, yes, financing from Batangas. What's her name again? Angelica, yes. Financing the show, yes. Um, from ABA Bacolod, Jessa. Okay, correct. So it is just like the producer, yes, correct, King. So producer is in charge of financing the show or movie. Okay, so if in printed media we have the publisher, in broadcast media we have producers. Okay? Okay, so that is for the broadcast and printed media. So let's proceed to the effects of people media. Or what do you think, or how do you think people in media affects uh, the people or the audience? Can you give your answer? They shape our brain from Samantha? Okay. Okay, so we get influenced by Christian because we receive news from them. Yes, it can affect our belief. Okay, so it can disseminate fake news. Yes, yeah, especially nowadays, right? So we have a lot of fake news. Okay, okay, it can give negative images. Yes, it influence people. Okay, so now how about let's discuss first the negative effect of people media. Okay, so a study shows that themes of television shows can influence children, especially 6 to 12, right? So when they are watching programs, focus on social relationships and learning. Okay, so um, some some studies um, shows that profanity and obscenity through television and movies have direct negative influence on child's behavior. Why? Because they think that the words or the behavior are normal or acceptable because they seen it on TV. Right? So, for example, some children who are watching television, yes, they think it is okay from Gabriel. Right? So, "Mama, Papa, ito po yung nakita ko sa TV, ayun yung sabi sa news." So, that's why, they think that it is true. Yes. Okay? So, aside from that, a study show that the television presented violence, it is highly likely for the child viewers to be influenced negatively. Right? So, what are the most common themes of television shows nowadays? Drama? Okay. What else aside from drama? Okay. Yes, violence. Sampalan. Okay. Horror. Mhm. Drugs. Yes. Affairs. So that's why people, especially children, they think that it is acceptable because they seen it on TV. Right? Okay. So according to one study, um, Filipinos are avid viewers of TV. Okay, so that spends 33 hours per week on average, especially children. Okay, so in line with this, the Children's Television Foundation in 2001 found out that half of the television programs broadcasted in Philippine TV contains violence. Okay, that is why the MTRCV countered this harmful effect on violence on local TV. Okay, that's why they give classifications on shows. So, G for general patronage, meaning children uh, can watch, and PG with parental guidance, and SPG or strong parental guidance. Okay, so it means that every shows in Philippine television should have what? Should have, yes, it should have guidance from the parents. Okay? Or restrictions. Yes, Gabriel, correct. Okay. Now, next. So, in Republic Act number 8370 or the Children's Television Act, wherein broadcast networks are required to give at least 15-minute airtime daily for child-friendly programs, meaning every broadcast networks in the Philippines should broadcast a child-friendly programs or yes, for example, cartoons, anime. Okay? Yes. Mm. Okay? So, before we proceed to the next topic, do you have any questions? Again, class, let me remind you that this chat box is saved. So, any words or anything that you typed in our chat box is recorded and it can be reported to your school administrator. None so far? Okay? Okay. So, let's proceed. Okay. Now, we will discuss text information and media. Okay? So, what do we mean by text information and media? So, in this lesson, we will describe the different dimensions of text and media. Also, we will comprehend how text information and media is or are formally and informally produced, organized, and disseminated. Okay? So, what do we mean by text information? Okay, so text is defined as a simple and flexible format of presenting information or conveying ideas. So whether it is handwritten, whether it is printed or displayed on screen, for example, on laptop, computers, and cell phones, it is considered as text. Okay, it is any human readable sequence of characters. Okay, so to simply put or to simply say, when we say text information, it refers to information presented in the form of text. Okay, so whether it is through um, printed, whether it is written, or it is through phones or laptop, it is text. Yes, from Ama Makati or Rate, correct. As long as we can read it, it is a text. Okay? Okay, so we have different uses of text information. Okay, so the first is learning or gaining knowledge. Okay, so what do we mean by that? So, yes, through text information, we can learn and we can gain and even we can share our knowledge. Okay, especially through reading. Okay, next is for entertainment. What do you mean by this? Okay, so the second use of text information is through entertainment. So, yes, to be entertained. Okay, so as our pastime, so sometimes we read stories, correct? Yes, we read Wattpad, for example, Webtoon, we read short stories, sometimes we read secret files in Facebook, correct? So that is through entertainment. Yes, novels, yes, Wattpad. Okay. Next is, the next use is relaxation. Okay. So when we say relaxation, okay, reading as pastimes, yes, to really relax our mind and body from Dane of Ama Paranaque. Okay, from Christian to enjoy my me time. Wow. Okay. Most of us read while relaxing. Okay. Okay, correct. So that is relaxation. Next is coverage. What do you mean by coverage? Okay, real time. Okay. So in coverage, Um, Textual information comes in a wide range of topics, meaning we can read, yes, or can get a wide range of information of variety of topics so by reading. Okay, so that is coverage. So, any questions before we proceed? Okay, none so far. Are you sure? None. Okay. So now we will discuss the different types of text information. Okay. So the first is books. Okay, books is one of the most common type of information. Okay. So when we say books, it is a printed or published material. Okay. So books, it is one of the primary vehicles that help people, yes, to get a source of information, correct? Next is newspaper. So in newspaper, the main uh, job or function of a newspaper is to, yes, to get news, correct, from Daron. Okay, yes, to be updated from April Rose. Okay, yes, primary source to get news from Jade. Okay, so when we say newspaper, we have two kinds of newspaper. So we have broadsheets and tabloids. Okay, so can you give some difference or main difference about broadsheets and tabloids? Anybody in the chat box? Mhm. Yes, they are both newspaper. Yes, by size, tabloids are smaller while the broadsheets are larger. Yes, sometimes broadsheets are in English while tabloids are written in Tagalog or in our regional language. Yes, correct. Yes, native language also in tabloids. What else? Mhm. So that is one of the some of the differences between um, broadsheets and tabloids. Okay. Next is magazines. Okay. So what is the function of magazine? Yes, ads or advertising. Talk about entertainment. Yes, mostly entertainment. To promote, to entertain people. What else? It shows images, correct? Yes, to more on pictures. Yes, more on lifestyle, correct? Or for promotions, yes, advertisement and magazines for um about showbiz. Okay, so okay, so that is the main function of magazines. Again, it is mostly um for advertisement, but a lot of pictures about lifestyle. Okay, so next is digital text. What do we mean by digital text? Okay, so digital text is what? So it can be ebooks and websites. So meaning um, in digital text, instead of bringing or reading the physical book itself, we can save the stories or the information with the use of our cell phone. Okay? So yes, it can be seen or used in gadgets. Yes, it can be more flexible according to Allen. Yes. Okay, so for example, instead of reading novels, we are reading what? Wattpad. Okay, we are using Wattpad. Yes, from Jeremiah. It uses technology when we are reading. Okay, so yes, ebooks and websites. Yes, Kindle, Luigi, correct. So ebooks. Okay, so it is more convenient and compact. Yes, Gabriel, correct. Okay, so it uses technologies. Okay, so next is manga also. Okay, is niche publication. Okay, what do we mean by niche publication? Mhm. Anybody? Okay, so when we say niche publication, it is publishing to a very specific and focus subject or topic. Okay, so they are not intended for everybody. Okay, so when we say niche publication, it is intended for a specific market only. Okay, yeah. So when we say again, publishing books that are intended for a very specialized market. So example of this is yes, it focuses on one topic, not for everyone or specific topic. Yes, correct. Like school paper. Okay, or another is like OED. So not everyone, since not everyone is a student, so they don't have to read it. So niche publication is mostly for students only. Sorry, um, the modules. Okay, but niche publications, it can also be for entertainment. Yes, Jeremiah, uh, it it is for a particular target only. Okay? So, next is zines. So, zines or other term for that is fanzine. So, it means that it is a self-published um, or small circulation publication of unique work of minority interest. Okay? Yes, it is a small publication from Dane. Okay? So it came from a two-word fan and magazine. Okay, so combined together, the words combined together, it is um it it is fanzine or zines. Okay, so it can be books, newspapers, or magazines, or even website. But the thing is, zines are usually produced by amateurs. Okay, for fans of a particular performer, group, or form of entertainment. Okay, so zines are usually it can be for bands, yes, correct. It can be sports, yes. It can be about your favorite um, group or boy band or girl band. Okay, so yes, it can also be fan club, um, food, a merch, and even a lifestyle. Okay, but it is not for everyone also. But the thing is, this is um, for fans. Okay, so yes, for example, your favorite boy band, your favorite girl band, or your favorite food. So that is produced by anybody. Okay, so next is a university press. Okay, so what do we mean by university press? So if in niche publication and science, it is mostly lifestyle, it is mostly for entertainment. How about university press? Okay, so according to Gabriel from Amateur Luck, it is a press connected to a university and mainly concerned with the publication of scholarly works. More on academic, yes, Lawrence, correct. School journalism from Ritzel, yes. Okay. more on school or academics. Yes, correct, Andrea and Rachel. Okay, so about a certain school, yes, Jael, or academic research from Tricia. Okay, so when we say university press, it is focus more on or concerned with the publication of scholarly works. Okay, so just like design, it is non-profit, but its specialization is mainly academic content. Okay, yes, the focus of university press is academic. Okay, some of the publication that they produce include scholarly journals, textbooks, and reference for student use. Yes, for academic purpose. Again, so when we say designs and niche publication, this is more on entertainment. Okay, but when we say university press, it is more on academic content. Yes, like OED, for example, more made for academics. Yes, King Arthur, correct. Yes, Jael, it can also help promote a certain school. Okay. Yes, it can. University press can be magazine or a newspaper, or it can be scholarly works like thesis, like research. Okay. Okay. So that would be all in our discussion for today. So do you have any questions? If you have any questions, just type it in the chat box. So if you have any questions about our topic in Module 8 and Module 9, just um, type it in the chat box.